Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you own a Honda or an Acura, you might have seen that dreaded check engine light pop up. You plug in your scanner, and boom, code P1457 appears. What does it mean? Don't panic. Today, we're going to break down this common fault code, explain what's happening, and show you how to tackle it. So, P1457 stands for EVAP system leak detected on the canister side. Let's simplify that. Your car's EVAP, or evaporative emission control system, is like a sealed network of hoses and valves. Its job is to capture gasoline vapors from your fuel tank before they escape into the atmosphere. It then stores these vapors in a charcoal canister and feeds them back into the engine to be burned. It's a clever system that's good for the environment and your fuel efficiency. The P1457 code specifically tells you there's a leak somewhere on the canister side of this system. This is the section that includes the charcoal canister itself and the components attached to it, like the canister vent shut valve. Think of it like this. The EVAP system has two main parts of the tank side and the canister side. This code points us directly to the canister area, which actually makes diagnosing it a bit easier. So, what are the common symptoms you might notice? Honestly, besides the check engine light, you probably won't feel any difference in how your car drives. Your engine won't stall. You won't lose power, and your gas mileage will likely stay the same. The biggest issue is that you won't be able to pass an emissions test with this light on. Now, let's get to the fun part. What causes this code? Overwhelmingly, the number one culprit for a P1457 on a Honda or Acura is a faulty canister vent shut valve, often just called the CVS valve. This valve is supposed to be normally open, but it closes when the car's computer runs a pressure test on the EVAP system. Over time, these valves get exposed to road salt, water, and grime, causing them to rust and get stuck. When the valve can't close properly, the system can't hold pressure, and it triggers the leak code. Another common cause is the valve's O-ring. The CVS valve is sealed against the charcoal canister with a rubber O-ring. This O-ring can become dry, brittle, and cracked over the years, creating a small leak path. Sometimes, just replacing this tiny, inexpensive seal is enough to fix the problem. Less common, but still possible, is a cracked charcoal canister itself. The canister is a plastic box filled with activated charcoal. If it develops a crack from road debris or just age, it will obviously cause a leak. You might also have a rotted or disconnected vacuum hose going to or from the canister. It is always a good idea to visually inspect all the hoses in that area for any obvious signs of damage. So, how do you fix it? The first step is a thorough visual inspection. Get under the rear of your car. The canister is usually located near the fuel tank. Look closely at the CVS valve. Do you see a lot of rust and corrosion? That's a huge red flag. Check the hoses connected to it. Are they cracked or loose? Inspect the plastic body of the canister for any visible cracks. If everything looks okay visually, the next logical step is to replace the canister vent shut valve. Given how frequently this part fails, it's often the most direct and effective solution. When you buy a new valve, make sure it comes with a new O-ring. It's a simple part to replace, usually just a couple of bolts and a wiring connector. Once you've replaced it, clear the code with your scanner and drive the car. The check engine light should stay off if that was the problem. If a new valve doesn't solve it, you might need to perform a smoke test. This involves pumping smoke into the EVAP system and looking for where it escapes. This is the most definitive way to find a small, hard-to-see leak, whether it's from a hairline crack in the canister or a tiny pinhole in a hose. To sum it up, if you have a P1457 code, start by inspecting the canister and its vent valve for rust and damage. More often than not, replacing the canister vent shut valve and its O-ring will solve your problem and turn off that check engine light. It has a manageable DIY job for many home mechanics and can save you a trip to the dealership. I hope this guide helped you understand the P1457 code a little better. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.